Hello, hello, dear students. Welcome you all to the 24th lecture of rural marketing. And today's lecture, we will discuss the marketing of pesticides. In previous lectures, we have seen the marketing of seeds as well as the marketing of fertilizer. So, marketing of pesticides and marketing of fertilizers, you will see they both are almost similar. So let's first of all, let's discuss what is pesticide meaning and then we will proceed. Let's go to the next slide. So pesticide is any substance used to kill, repel or control certain forms of plants or animal life that are considered to be pest. And pesticides includes herbicides for destroying weeds and another unwanted vegetations. Insecticides are there for controlling a wide variety of insects. There are fungicides used to prevent the growth of molds and mildews. Disinfectants are there for preventing the spread of bacteria in the crop. And compounds are there which are used to control mice and rats. Okay, so basically, if we will see, they are the chlorine agents used to protect our crop. Okay, so plant protection also it can be used, so it is used as treating the soil and treating the seeds also. We can treat our seeds with pesticide. Okay, diseases, seed-borne diseases, and treating standing crops again damages like pest, insect, etc. And the origin of the pesticide industry, if we will see, it started from World War II. In 1948, our country imported DD to control malaria. And fumigation of storage godowns, like we have seen that substances or chemicals are there which protects our agriculture crops in godowns, like rats and mice are there which destroy our crops. So all these things are there. Insecticide, herbicides, fungicides, fumigations, and rodenticides. These are some broad categories of pesticides which just now we have explained. And large part of pesticides are used for cotton, paddy, and food and vegetable industry. Now, let's see some other information about pesticides. So if we will talk more about this, next slide, we will see how the distribution happened of pesticide in India. So distribution, if you will see here, like we have seen in fertilizers also. So the distribution of pesticide is also carried out through the state department, cooperatives and private outlets, as we have seen in distribution of fertilizers also. So in this figure, I have presented it like manufacturers, Indian and foreigners are there. So if we are producing in bulk, we are exporting it. And if some pesticides are there which we are not producing or which are not cost effective, we are importing them. Okay. So import and export, both things are happening in our country. And at least 50% of that output is going to non-associated formulators, and 50% of outputs are going to associated formulators, and then through them it is going to wholesaler, retailers and farmers. So this is one kind of distribution. Don't think that this is the only distribution system. There are other distribution systems also, as I have mentioned here, state departments, cooperatives, private outlets. So all these are also a few distribution channels, and companies, they used their distribution channels according to their convenient or according to their way of working. And if we talk about one of the biggest state for which is known for its agriculture crops and all, so it is Punjab. So according to the website which I'm going through, it is Department of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, Government of Punjab. So the data, it is given there for smooth supply of pesticide regularly. Punjab state has established a good network of distribution. State has 50 manufacturing units of pesticides and around 250 marketing companies who have opened their godown to stock the pesticide in advance and distribute it to their dealers in the state. Around 10,500 dealers are distributing the pesticide to the farmers. About 1,500 cooperative agriculture services society are also working in cooperative department who are also distributing pesticides to the members. So, and apart from this, some more information I want to share with you, which I have taken from one research paper written by Devi and Thomas. So, according to them, the pesticide distribution in India is managed by 1,78,979 sales point across the country, and of these the number is highest in Maharashtra. Almost 90% of the sales points are in Maharashtra, which is followed by Andhra Pradesh, which has 11% share, and Uttar Pradesh, which has 10.86%. So we have seen that the distribution of pesticides is happening through cooperatives also, private outlets also, and state departments also. Now next we come to the promotion. So promotion will be almost same for each and every product in rural marketing. So field demonstration is there to educate the farmers of practical aspects of the new applications, and exposure tips like research farms and all those things are there. Meeting with farmers, training camps for farmers, Kisan Melas, television and radio programs, video shows. Okay, video shows, it consider the literacy among the farmers, pamphlets, handbags, all these things, wall paintings are there. And apart from that, local media such as street plays, which we also known as Nukkad Natak, dramas, festival, religious fairs for advertising the product. So these all are the different ways to promote our pesticides. So let's do a quick revision whatever we have learned today. We have learned about, first of all, we have discussed what are pesticides and why it is used, when the first the pesticides were used in India. Then we have seen what are the different categories of pesticides. And then we have seen the distribution of pesticide, how we distribute it. And finally, we have seen how to do promotion of pesticides. So this is all for today's lecture. If you have any queries, any confusion, you can ping me on your WhatsApp group. I will resolve your query there. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Thanks.